best luxury sports cars for 2024-2023 Audi R8. In the realm of luxury sports cars, the Audi R8 has long been revered for its combination of exquisite design, exhilarating performance, and cutting-edge technology. As automotive enthusiasts eagerly anticipate the latest releases for 2024, the 2023 Audi R8 stands out as a timeless marvel that continues to captivate drivers with its blend of sophistication and speed, reaffirming its position among the best in its class. Despite being a carryover model from the previous year, the 2023 Audi R8 remains a formidable contender in the fiercely competitive luxury sports car segment. Boasting striking design elements, including Audi's signature single-frame grille and sleek LED headlights, the R8 exudes a commanding presence on the road, turning heads and demanding attention wherever it goes. Under the hood, the 2023 R8 is powered by a potent V10 engine, delivering breathtaking performance and spine-tingling acceleration that's sure to leave a lasting impression on drivers and passengers alike. With its quattro all-wheel drive system and finely tuned suspension, the R8 offers impeccable handling and agility, allowing drivers to push the limits with confidence and precision. But it's not just about performance. The 2023 Audi R8 also impresses with its luxurious interior, featuring premium materials, meticulous craftsmanship, and a range of advanced technology features. From the comfortable and supportive seats to the intuitive infotainment system and driver assistance technologies, every detail is designed to enhance the driving experience and ensure that occupants feel pampered and connected at all times. As one of the best luxury sports cars for 2024, the Audi R8 represents the pinnacle of automotive excellence, combining breathtaking performance with refined luxury in a package that's as exhilarating as it is elegant. Its timeless design, legendary performance, and uncompromising attention to detail ensure that it remains a top choice for drivers who demand nothing but the best from their vehicles. In a market filled with contenders vying for attention, the 2023 Audi R8 stands out as a true icon, a symbol of German engineering prowess and automotive innovation. With its blend of luxury, performance, and style, it continues to capture the hearts and imaginations of drivers around the world, solidifying its place among the best luxury sports cars of 2024 and beyond.